Kite AI, as you can see here, Kite AI, the purpose-built EVM-Compatible layer 1, unlocking fair access to AI, asset data modeling agents, powered by proof of AI, the first consensus mechanism for fair attribution and reward for AI. We are currently on their website. This is what you can see. They have a lot of great things involved and great things in store for us. Let's get started with their testnet and airdrop currently. Okay. Or when you come on their page, which are their testnet page, which I'll make available in the description box. There's a you click get started, and connect your wallet. I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet now. Basically, all you need to just connect to your social. That's all. So, which I'm doing right now. You need to perform these tasks to be able to earn points. You need to join the Discord, you earn 150 SP, and also join the Telegram, which will earn you 50 SP. This is all you need to do for now. And share your referral link with your colleagues or friends to be earning more 100 SP points. As time goes on, more tasks will be uploaded for us to be able to perform it on here. See you another time, and thanks for following me. Hopefully you like and subscribe to my videos. I'll be uploading more. Thank you for now.